Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS Flexbox tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about the flex shorthand property. So we learned before that the flex grow gives a value of how many times you want the inner element to grow. The flex shrink is how many times you want the inner element to shrink, and flex basis is the starting point. And there's a shorthand notation. Instead of writing all these properties out and their values, we can just use this where you put the property flex, and the first parameter is flex grow, second parameter is flex shrink, and then the third parameter is flex basis. So we want to add it for this exercise, the box 1. So we want to give the flex grow to box 1 of 2. So flex, the first one is 2, the shrink is 2, and the base is 150 pixels. And now we're going to see it here. And next, we want to do it for the box 2, where you give a flex grow of 1, a shrink of 1, and a basis of 150 pixels. And then we can see here, this takes up one column, and then this takes up the other column, part of the row. This takes one part of the row, and this takes the other part of the row. And it's showing that here that box 1 will grow to fill the extra space at twice the rate at box 2. So when there's extra space, when the container is greater than 350, because these add up to 1, they start at 150, but then when it gets bigger, this will grow twice as much. And then when it gets smaller than 300, it will shrink twice as fast. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.